Hey, how you doing today? My name is Will, and wait, hold on. Hey, how y'all doing today? My name is Will, and thank you for stopping by. Say how you feel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to do a one-color family union shirt. One of my jobs I did looked like 2 years ago now. So stay tuned. See you after this break. Those who didn't know before, yes, I have a 4-color press behind me. And normally I would probably do this myself if I felt like it. You know, just depends. I had this, actually, I did this in 2017. The order I did. Now, I did have this. I'll be honest, I had this. And I don't know, and the crazy part about it, I had this. I got the color ink. I have everything. I don't know why I didn't just screen print it myself. I don't know what was going on. I think it was just, I had so many orders at the time, it was just easier to order these and just press it all because I just didn't feel like trying to screen print it all the time. But I think now I'm going to go ahead and start screen printing a little more. But anyway, so again, you order the shirts. For those who don't have one of these and want to get into screen printing, because I'm going to start doing these too. I actually have some, a pack of them right there. I'm working on those now. And I have the powder right here. So yeah, I'm working on those too. So, but that's not what this is about. So this is about those who don't have a screen printing machine, who want to do screen printer transfers, or want to do screen printer designs, or want to get into screen printing. You can use these places right here. And again, this is just an old design. I still have some extras left. I just want you guys to see how to do it. You clamp it down, make sure you press it on 400 degrees. Place it down. And voila. And it's crazy because after 2 years, as you can see, after 2 years, this design is still working. Bam. I'm 2 feet. Boom. Everything is where it needs to be. But this design still works perfectly fine. After 2 years, you know, 2017, my daughter knocked something over. My platinum tape. I'll stretch mine out a lot of times just to make sure that, you know, it's all good. Like I said, I think I got these because I wanted to go quick. I didn't want to take all day. So I just wanted to go ahead and do it. With that being said, if you have any questions, inbox me, DM me, call me, whatever. Just hit me up on here. Leave me a comment and I'll go ahead and respond. But please like, share, subscribe. If you like this video. If you don't, still tell me. So tell me what I can do to make it better. But I wanted to let you guys know, let you see what you can do. Again, I'm working on some tutorials and things to help people out. You know, people asking all the time how to get into the business. I'm going to start helping people out a little more in 2019. You know, but at the end of the day, keep doing your thing and make sure you keep saying how you feel. You have a good day.